Have you ever pondered over the vast expanse of our solar system and wondered how it all began? Around 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system was born out of a colossal molecular cloud. Picture a vast, cold, and dense cloud of dust and gas drifting through space. Suddenly, a disturbance occurred, possibly triggered by the shock wave of a nearby exploding star. This disturbance caused the cloud to collapse under its own gravity, creating a hot, dense core. This core, under immense pressure and heat, ignited to form our very own star, the Sun. But what about the planets? The leftover dust and gas formed a rotating disk around the Sun. Over millions of years, these particles began to collide and stick together, forming larger and larger bodies. These bodies eventually became the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets that we know today. And thus, the Sun, the heart of our solar system, came to be, with planets starting to form around it. Now imagine you're embarking on a journey from the Sun, moving outward. What's the first stop? Well, you'd find yourself zipping past 4 celestial bodies known as the inner rocky planets. First up is Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun. It's a world of extremes, with temperatures that swing wildly from scorching hot to bitterly cold. Next, we have Venus, shrouded in a thick toxic atmosphere that traps heat, making it the hottest planet despite not being the closest to the Sun. Then there's our home, Earth, the only known planet to harbor life, thanks to its just right conditions. Last but not least, we have Mars, the red planet. Its rusty surface hints at a past that may have been wet and possibly even hospitable to life. These are our neighboring planets, each unique and fascinating in its own right. Venturing further into the solar system, what do we encounter next? Well, as we journey beyond the rocky inner circle, we enter into the realm of the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These colossal celestial bodies are like nothing else we've seen so far. First up, we have Jupiter, the heavyweight champion of our solar system. It's over 11 times the diameter of Earth and made up almost entirely of hydrogen and helium, just like the Sun. But what steals the show is its great red spot, a storm that's been raging for at least 300 years, longer than any storm we've ever known on Earth. Next, we come to Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. This planet is renowned for its spectacular ring system, composed of countless particles of ice, dust, and rock, all orbiting in a beautifully synchronized dance. Moving on, we encounter Uranus, the oddball of the group. It's unique because its axis of rotation is tilted sideways, meaning it essentially rolls around the Sun on its side. This results in extreme seasons where some parts of the planet experience 42 years of continuous daylight or darkness. Last of the giants, we have Neptune, the furthest planet from the Sun. Despite its distance, it's a world of fierce winds and monstrous storms, with the fastest known wind speeds in the solar system reaching up to 2,000 kilometers per hour. But let's not forget the little guy at the edge of our solar system. Pluto, once considered the 9th planet, is now classified as a dwarf planet. It's a cold, icy world, far removed from the warmth of the Sun, and its demotion from planet status sparked quite the debate among astronomers. These distant worlds, cold and enormous, hold mysteries we are only beginning to unravel. The more we learn, the more we realize just how diverse and fascinating our solar system truly is. So strap in and keep exploring, because who knows what we'll discover next. So what does this voyage through our solar system tell us? Well, we've embarked on an incredible journey, haven't we? We've seen the birth of our solar system, a cosmic ballet choreographed by gravity, time, and the raw materials of the universe. We've explored the inner rocky planets, each with its unique traits and tales to tell. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, varied in their composition, atmosphere, and landscapes. We've ventured further to the gas giants and the icy world beyond. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, these behemoths of gas and ice, each with their own array of moons and rings. And beyond them, the icy realms of dwarf planets, comets, and the mysteries they hold. Our solar system, a tiny speck in the cosmic sea, is a marvel of nature, full of wonder and mystery, waiting to be explored. Remember, the more we learn about our own cosmic backyard, the more we understand about the universe at large.